Hi guys, welcome again. It's been a while since our last video. So I welcome you once again for this short video. Today, let's see the difficulties of owning a Ninja 300 in India. India is still a developing country and it is not common to see 300cc bikes everywhere. The first thing is, wherever you go, it turns heads. Though it's a 300cc, people still look at you and they ask you what is the mileage of the bike and how much cc it is. One more common question you get is, what is the top speed of the bike and how much have you gone on it? And finally, the most famous comment, you could have purchased a car for this price. I'm sure all Ninja 300 owners would have experienced this in India. Second thing is, with roads like this, as you see in this video, it is very difficult to use the full potential of the motorcycle. You need to find highways or expressways for that. Also, in stop and go traffic, the engine easily overheats. Preventing these things is not at all possible. So it is better to get used to all these things. Another major thing is the Scarce service network. We can service the bikes only at our authorized Kawasaki service centers. Initially, both KTM and Kawasaki were having service tie-ups with Bajaj, and Kawasaki bikes could be serviced at the KTM service center. These KTM service centers were available at least one per district, and servicing was not a big issue. Now that the tie-up has gone, and we are left with only two authorized service centers in a state as big as Tamil Nadu. So, for a person down south from Tamil Nadu, has to travel at least 500 kilometers or 700 kilometers for each service. The next problem is, wherever you go, you will be stopped by the police authorities. Since these bikes are very rare, it creates a suspicion among the cops. And if you are on your riding gears, you will surely get this question, are you going for any race? I have experienced this a lot of times. Another common problem you will be facing is, you will always be chased by smaller cc bikes and sometimes even cars. Sometimes even 100cc bikes will try to give you a run for your money. Also, car owners do not take it lightly when they get passed by a motorcycle. In such situations, it is better to keep your cool and drive within your limits. And finally, one more difficulty is really worth mentioning here. So far, we have seen only external factors which make it difficult for us Ninja 300 owners. Now, let us see one thing in the bike that really makes it difficult for us to use this bike on Indian roads. It is the ground clearance of the bike. With just 135 millimeters of ground clearance, it scrapes every speed breakers on our roads. This is how I navigate the speed breakers. Here, the Ninja 300 has to be driven across the speed breaker to prevent the underbelly from scraping it, while the RC 390 normally goes through the speed breaker. That's it for today, guys. Please share your thoughts in the comment section. For more videos, press the subscribe button and click on the bell icon.